Hello team, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to make money on Fiverr as a photographer. So you have to do, all you have to do is to create your gig simply. So I will show you step by step how to create your gig. First thing is to click on switch to selling in the top right here. Then we have this page. You have to click to share your gigs, and then this page will show here. So for the gig title, this is where things get really interesting, and this is where we can go through and complete this entire gig. So as I said, I was going to do something in photography. So actually, you know what? So let's change this and let's go for photography products. Here we have the product photographers. So let's basically have a look what other people are seeing and what are the people are titling their gigs. And because we can look at what the top sellers are seeing, we can basically model them. So they're all saying, I will shoot, I will do product, I will shoot, I will do, I will create. So for me, I will type I will shoot. It's just an example. I will shoot high quality products photographer. Like this. And then here we have the category. You have to choose the category and the subcategory most suitable for your gig. So here we have photography, and then for the subcategory, product photographers. And here we have to select the type of the photo you take. For example, beauty and health. For the photo sitting studio. Purpose, for example, website, social media. And for the city, you can choose any city you want. For example, I will choose Accra, or it's just an example. For the search tag, you have to enter term you feel your buyer will use when looking for your service. For example, photography, photograph, products, and then we have to confirm or agree to the term of service, and then click on save and continue. So here we have the second section. It then gives us a scope of and the pricing area, and this is the really interesting part because I see this is where so many Fiverr sellers trip up. So what I would do now is take a look at the amounts of order that people are getting in your niche and work out what the best price range is. So here we have, for example, I will choose this. As you see here, we have we can just copy this for your to complete your information. For example, here I will choose the name of my package. For example, I will do lights here, here, yes, and here pro, which is just an example, as I say. For the description, I just like copy this. for photo on a natural or white for background. $25 for each photo. This. Just copy. Like this. And paste here. So for the standard, we have 3 photos in studio or lifestyle setting. And for the premium mix of products and lifestyle shoots, you will get 1 white background and 3 styled photo. Just copy and paste here. Like this. So for the delivery time, for example, 1 day delivery, for the standard 1 day, for the premium 2 days. So you have to complete all this information here as you see, and then here we have the price. You have to put the price you want, for example here 15 and here 100. And then when you finish all this, you have to click on save and continue. And here we have the description and the description, so you have to describe your gig. Just scroll down and we have the description. So here is, just copy and paste here like this. Then you have to click on save and continue.